ultimate travel hacks, smooth flights and Insta-worthy moments. Yo, what's up everybody? It's David. So, after countless flights, I've picked up a lot of valuable travel tips. Seriously, I've spent more time in the air than some birds, and I've learned a thing or two about making the experience smoother and way more enjoyable. And today, I'm sharing those with you to help make your next trip smoother. From pre-flight prep to in-flight comfort, packing hacks, and how to capture those Insta-worthy moments, I've got you covered. Let's break it down into key areas. What to do your flight, what to do, content creation tips, sanitizing hacks, because let's be real, airplanes are germ factories, and some luggage tricks. Let's dive in. Download your entertainment. Avoid the Wi-Fi struggle. Onboard Wi-Fi can be pricey, slow, or unreliable. Download everything you need beforehand. Movies, music, podcasts, Spotify, Apple Music, Audible. Make sure it's ready to go offline. Pre-flight hacks. Setting alarms for everything. Okay, so you've got your entertainment sorted. But before you even think about leaving the house, let's talk about pre-flight prep. Setting alarms might sound basic, but it's crucial. I'm not kidding, I set alarms for when I need to call my Uber, when to start boarding, and even reminders for packing. Look, I'm the king of last-minute packing, but even I have limits. Set an alarm to start packing the day before your flight. That way you're not frantically shoving clothes into your suitcase at 3 a.m. And speaking of alarms, customize them for vibrations or sound so you don't miss any steps, especially if you're the type to fall asleep on planes. In-flight comfort, your personal seat pocket oasis. All right, you've boarded the plane, you've found your seat. Now it's time to get comfortable. And by comfortable, I mean creating your own little oasis in that cramped space. First things first, I like to have all my essentials within arm's reach. We're talking headphones, snacks, phone charger, a good book, all the things you need to survive a long flight. Now, instead of having them scattered all over the place, use a simple cosmetic bag to keep everything organized. You can even attach it to the seat in front of you for easy access. That way, you're not constantly digging through your carry-on bag like a frantic raccoon. Chapter 4. Sanitizing Essentials Germaphobe-Approved Travel Hacks. Let's be real for a second. Airplanes are basically flying petri dishes. If you're a germaphobe like me, sanitizing your flight space is a must. I'm talking about wiping down the tray table, the armrests, the seatbelt buckle, everything. And don't even get me started on the airplane bathroom. That's a whole other level of germ warfare. I always keep hand wipes, sanitizers, and even Lysol sprays in my carry-on. Yeah, I know, I might be a little extra, but I haven't gotten sick from a flight in years. And here's the pro tip. Seat covers. They exist, and they are a game changer. You can find travel-sized options for most of these items, so there's no excuse not to be prepared. Chapter 5. Capturing Content Gear Essentials for Travel Vlogging. Let's talk about capturing those epic travel moments. You don't need a whole camera crew. I travel with my trusty GoPro Hero 11. It's small, durable, and versatile, perfect for time lapses and action shots. For immersive shots, try the Insta360X3. Reframe 360-degree shots in post-production. A rotating phone mount is essential. Switch between reels and cinematic shots easily. Chapter 6. Luggage Tips. The Airport Shopping Bag Hack. Okay, let's talk luggage. We've all been there. You're trying to stuff an oversized carry-on into the overhead bin, praying it fits. But here's a pro tip. Grab a shopping bag at the airport. Seriously, it's a game changer. If you need an extra bag without triggering airline rules on carry-ons, just use one from the terminal shops. No one's going to question a shopping bag, and you can easily fit a surprising amount of stuff in there. Just make sure it's sturdy enough to handle the weight of your belongings. Outro, safe travels and happy vlogging. So there you have it. My ultimate travel hacks for smoother flights and Insta-worthy moments. I hope these tips help make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, traveling should be fun, even if it comes with its fair share of stressful moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and hacks. And be sure to share your own travel tips in the comments below. Safe travels and see you in the next video.